So hello all. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through a POC I made for GSOC proposal purpose. So as we already know, our HashiCorp Vault has two authentication method, which is app role and token based. So in this POC, I had tried to implement an JWT based authentication flow, which exactly fits in our existing flow. So I will quickly walk you through what code changes I have made and how I have integrated it with minimal code changes. So as we already know, we have a secrets config. So I have added configs like JWT, JWT file and so while initializing this, we get that configs from get config or default function, which we have already using in entire project. So then comes a function method which is authenticate. So here we have two cases which were we using before, which was token and april. So I have added third case called JWT. Here we get JWT via v.vault JWT function, which is further defined down the lane. So then we return error if any. Then we set this token via response.auth.client token, and by default it uses unsupported authentication method. So I have maintained a documentation for my POC also. Here you can see that we are doing machine to machine authentication without any browser flow. So this type of authentication is often used in workload identity, where both server and client are machine and we don't have any relying party like browser and something. So this fits in our project architecture very well. So you can read this documentation in my branch called POC/JWT. So now I will quickly get you to my drawing board, where I will explain all flow in just a few minutes. So this is how it works. Here we already expects that we have JWT already issued from any provider. Then plugin reads JWT either via vault underscore JWT or file. Then plugin sends role plus JWT to vault routes such as auth/JWT/login. Then after verifying the JWT issued against vault some secret certificates and policies, vault returns us a short-lived uh, token, which is basically access token, which we eventually use on further request to get any secret. So let's suppose we have some database operation in Docker Swarm, where we need a database password for spinning up. So in order to get that password, we will first uh, prove our JWT token JWT key against HashiCorp Vault's method. Then it will issue us a short-lived access token. Then our plugin will use that token and then run a get secret method on Vault's storage. Then eventually we will get that secret for database. Then that secret is further given to Docker Swarm. Then this Docker Swarm will spin up our database. So this is how it will work, and I have made no changes to implementations like get secret, rotation, monitoring and all. So this was just an change for adding a new authentication method JWT. So this has some limitation, like as we said, here we assume that we already have some issuer which issues us JWT ahead of time. So yeah, which is pretty much explained here. So you can read this. I will attach this in proposal also. So yeah, this is all. Thanks.